the secret blueprint. Ever feel like building a custom home in Africa is a maze with no maps? You're not alone. Hi, I'm Engineer Abdurrahim Ali Muhammad, and today I'll show you the exact 7 steps top builders use. Skip 1 steps, risk delays, extra costs, or a home you hate. Let's build smart. Step 1. Dream face. Your wish list plus budget. Before architects or builders, write your wish list. 3 bedrooms, pool, grandma's cottage. Set realistic budget. Include extra 20% for surprises. Find your land. Slopes cost more. Check water/road access. Pro tip. In Nigeria, land with Certificate of Occupation avoids future battle. Step 2. Design team assemble. Architect, engineer. Hire in this order. Architect 8 to 15% fee. Draws your vision, demand 3D models. Surveyor maps land, checks for rocks, floods, slopes. Structural engineer 2 to 5% fee, makes plan safe. Warning, in Kenya, skipping the engineer, your walls might crack in rainy season. Step 3. Government scheme, permits and approvals. Africa's most frustrating step. Submit plans to City Council in South Africa, County Government in Kenya, Local Government in Nigeria. Wait 4 to 12 weeks. Hire a local agent. They know officials. Pay fees half to 2% of the building cost. Ghana tip. Add environmental impact forms near forests and beaches. Step 4. Builder selection. Don't get scammed. How to pick the one. Get 3+ quotes. Compare per meter square. Check their work. Visit their past homes. Ask, can I chat with an old client? Sign a rock-solid contract. Must include start and end dates. Payment schedule. Never pay 100% upfront. Warranty. 10 years on structure. Nigeria's red flag. Builders who say no contract. Trust me. Run. Step 5. Construction. The 4 big phases. Number 1, site prep, 1 to 3 weeks. Clear bush, dig foundations, rocky soil, costs plus. Number 2, structure, 8 to 12 weeks. Walls, roof, windows, watch steel quality. Number 3, lockup, 4 weeks. Doors, security, no rain inside. Number 4, fit out, 6 to 8 weeks. Tiles, paint, kitchen, you choose the finishes. Key, visit site weekly, catch mistakes early. Step 6, the final boss. Inspections and snags. Don't pay until you check. Council inspection, tests plumbing, electrics, safety. Your snag list. Walk through with a builder. Mark every flaw. Cracked tiles, leaky tap, crooked door. Hold back 5% until fixes are done. Step 7. Key handover. Celebrate plus protect. Last steps. Get occupancy certificate. Proves home is legal. Warranty documents. Builder must give you this. House warming party. Africa smart move. Scan all contracts/plans and keep backups. You've built a legacy. Look, it's a journey, but when you follow these 7 steps, you avoid scams, you control costs, you get the home you designed. Like if this blueprint helped. Subscribe for more African build power. Comment which step scares you the most. Will help. Remember, every great castle started with 1 brick. Start yours today.